Ringo, and this is Apollo. Well, he doesn't want to show up in the camera, probably. Hi, I'm Ringo, and this is Apollo, my cat. From this year, I'm going to make more video about my life and my cat. If you like my videos, please share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, so today I'm going to unbox the Nutrisystem I ordered. It was a 30-day diet plan. They're trying to break your eating habit from 3 meals to 5 meals. And if you order it, it's going to be a whole month. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Let me see. Oh, it's not going to help. Alright. So this is a whole month of amount. It's about $250. So we get every instructions. I did not get everything out yet. Let's see. But I did have a look at it and I knew, oh my god, this is hard. This is the first week. Wow, I have so much cat fur on me. And these are the rest 3 weeks. Why did I put them all up? I don't know. Alright, so what do we have for the first week? Let's have a look. Alright, so we have 7 breakfasts, 7 lunch, 7 dinners, and 7 snacks. Also, we have a box of Nutri Crush. It's like a shake. Oh, by the way, this video is not advertised or sponsored by anybody. Alright, so let's have a look at the booklet. How to start your diet. Alright, with everything I have to read, this is the read me first. So we have 5 meals per day. We have breakfast, morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, and the dinner. At least 4 servings of non-starchy vegetables. We should drink 64 ounces of water every day. 64 ounces. That's how many liters? Also, we're supposed to get the New Me app and record everything we eat every day. Alright, I'm going to record every day of what I eat and also my weight. Oh wait, we still have other things. I have to put these back. Oh wait, we have to show the rest of the food. Great, now they don't shut anymore. Okay. I really don't want to do that again. So, let me just read you guys what are everything in this pack. Alright, and I'm reading the second brochure. It said that starting week 2, you will eat 6 times a day. Yeah, I realized the food we have for the other 3 weeks, they're only 5 days per week. We need to eat something else besides that. Alright, so it seems like those food in the box only cover 5 days in a week. The other 2 days, which I assume it is a weekend, we are supposed to cook our own breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and those snacks. Well, and also you have to follow their app to cook not fried chicken, something like that. Alright, and from now on I'm going to record every day of what I eat, but I will start from the week 1 first. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am going to post a follow-up next week. I'm Ringo. See you in the next video.